This tutorial is part of a series that covers key metrics to track as a credit manager. We're going to provide an overview of performance metrics that meet your company needs. There are several learning objectives for this tutorial. First of all, what is the importance of performance measurement and reporting? Then we're going to talk about adopting performance measurements that specifically meet the needs of key stakeholders within your organization. It could be sales, it could be other management, or it could be the senior management of your company. Then we're going to talk about picking performance measurements very deliberately based on the essential facts that you need to consider about your company, such as company specific background information. What type of performance measurements have been used in the past? What's lacking? Performance metrics that are currently tracked, and are they the most effective ones? And then what's impacting your cash-to-cash cycle and delays in your cash-to-cash cycle that maybe you should look at and measure and track and target? And lastly, how the contribution of your department is tracked and reported to management.